Dear children, today's topic is same. Good morning, all of you. The topic is how to attempt 10th English examination paper, periodic test 2, in a better way so that you get better marks. I quickly recapitulate the points which I just told you last time so that you recall how to attempt it better way. In speedily, I just tell you that we have three sections A, B, C, which first one is reading section of 20 marks, section B, which contains writing separately, grammar included with that of 30 marks. Section C contains 30 marks, which is literature text based question answers. And pattern, you know it. How to attempt in sequential order? It depends on you. If you want to attempt in sequential order or no problem. But important is that you write the question numbers. Section A, read it carefully, then attempt questions, but read the questions first, then read the passage. It's a tip. Second, section B is that it demands you to present your thoughts and ideas accurately in meaningful manner. It is time consuming section which you should attempt first. Section C, it is text based literature question answers. You should know each and everything about text questions and even the chapters, summary, poetry, and everything. So, there are certain techniques how to attempt section A. Remember, always read questions first of the passage, then read the passage. Keep your answer short, crisp, and to the point. Recall your vocabulary to answer the antonym and synonyms types of questions in context with the passage. And tips to attempt section B, that is, remember the correct format of letter and article and all writing section. Content and expression of your ideas must be presented with grammatical accuracy and complete relevancy. It should be complete relevancy. Narrate the story carefully on the given outlines, including the logical sequence of events. Story should not be written as this time we have analytical writing. Visual based stimulus. Okay. For about grammar, objective type questions may be given and it may not be given, but read them carefully, give answer accurately. That way it can be done. I'll just come to section C. Section C is literature text based question answers, where you have to remember chapters names, their authors names, their theme, summary, and all introduction and all, so that you should be able to write your own answer. In nutshell, I want to tell you that you frame your answers in your own words. The words should be innovative, they should be new, they should be better, not the old pattern words should be used. And now we have today's topic, that is, we have to take care of the time. You remember, manage your time. How much time can be allotted? Section A should be given 50 minutes. Section B should be given 60 minutes. And section C should be given 50 minutes overall. And saving your time for revising your whole paper should be left. So decrease your time in each section, at least 5 minutes. So I recommend that you should take 45 minutes here, 55 minutes here, and 45 minutes here, so that you save 15 minutes out of all. So that you should be able to revise your answers and all the mistakes which you have done in your question paper answer sheet. So total 160 minutes, which comes out to be how much? That is 120 minutes is 2 hours, 40 minutes, 2 hours, 40 minutes. How many minutes you've saved? 20. But I still say, if you take a pace of further 15 minutes savings, that will come out to be 35 minutes saving. Approximately half an hour must be saved to revise your whole answer sheet to avoid any mistake or any forgetful For example, sometimes you miss out the questions and you just have to write it again. So take care of this. This is very important, time management. All the exam writing tips stated above can be useful only if you remain mentally alert along with being completely prepared with the course curriculum. So revise all the chapters, all the notes, all the formats carefully before the exam to show an extraordinary performance on the exam day. So dear children, best of luck for your examination. Do well. In my next lesson, I'm going to take a revision of the whole syllabus in brief. Thank you so much.